imagine you are an elderly patient who needs to do an X-ray or an MRI, and naturally you are nervous. There's nobody in the room with you. But this guy, he is Manu. He is a humanoid, and this has been developed by this company called Hybotics, and this has been incubated at VIT Bellore. So we are going to talk to the founders of this humanoid and see ask them what they're going to plan to do with this humanoid named Manu next. Are you going to tell us what was the thought behind creating Manu very quickly, and what next as far as this technology is concerned?
So we started developing these humanoids as companion humanoids for domestic applications where there is a lot of younger generations leaving the country out. So there is elderly care people who stay back in homes. They are lonely. They can be single mothers or fathers, or it could be elderly care people. So for these people, they do not have anyone to talk to. So to just provide a companion for them, we started developing this humanoid. And then we are further expanding the applications into the healthcare sector, where there is isolation wards, there is radiation therapy rooms. Doctors cannot enter in during the therapy, and people generally cannot move in. So to just calm the patients, to have someone to talk to the patients there, or if it is kids, they may panic in those rooms. So to calm them down, this humanoid can come to use.
Okay, and what next? Where are you going to showcase Manu next? What more plans do you have for him?
So a little.
I said him, I can't believe it. He's a humanoid and I said him. Anyway, go on.
So a little in the future, we are also targeting the service sector where he can serve the purpose of being a receptionist, and also it has industry-specific knowledge. So in events like these, instead of having people talk the same thing again and again to multiple people, they can have humanoids say these things, and it's AI integrated, so people can come and ask questions, anything specific to a particular industry.